What that Austin
Oh, here we go.
What that Austin coming for? He coming for that food.
Oh, Lord.
He coming for that food. He coming for that food.
Oh, shit. Oh, fuck.
He coming for
Oh, fuck.
that food. He coming for that food. He coming for that food. Oh, no.
Okay, he ate everything. Go. Go, man, before he pack me. Oh, shit. Go, that nigga try to pack me. Oh, God. There's no more.
The ostriches are pretty cool.
Them pretty funny. Oh, there's another one coming. There's another one. Another one. Boss. Look at that. Boss.
Look at that. He said.
He said, bye bye blackie.
Here, give it to her, give it to her.
No, no.
No, I'm not doing it in that little cup either. Fuck that.
No.
Y'all some chickens.
I do not want to be killed.
Oh, God. Wait. You want to hold it? Let me hold it first until the animals come. No spill it.
Trying to feed him in front of me in a little ass cup.
Coming for heads.
This would be fun to experience in a truck, in the back of a truck. Be high as shit. Come in here and be gone, man.
No.
Probably trying to smoke, take your little roach or whatever you use.
What's it now? Oh no. He coming now.
Uh-oh. I think I'm gonna drop kick your car.
Yeah, okay.
Watch Lucas get into the building. Watch.
Do those horses bite?
Oh, you ready?
You were supposed to help.
What? You got scared?
Man, I know.
Oh my God, I got scared. I thought they was gonna grab my bag up for a minute. Oh God, man. I don't even think I got